Hello everybody, welcome back to CurtiskidzTv, and today we're going to be making slime blindfolded today. And I actually have my hat for my blindfold just to put over my eyes so I can't see anything. So all of the items are on the table. I'm really scared because I do not want to make a mess. So be sure when you're trying this challenge you have a lot of plastic bags and things so you won't make a mess. So yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get right to today's video. Okay, so here we go. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do this. Okay, this glitter activator. Okay, so I got my bowl. Open up the glue. I don't know when it's gonna be enough. Okay, a little bit more there. Okay. I don't know how much that is, you guys. I'm super scared, like stuff is already getting on my hands. Okay. Glitter. Which one should I get? Let's get the one at the top. It might be the easiest to get off. Okay. I have a glitter here. I don't know if it's already open. Here's the bowl. Scissors. Okay. Put in the glitter. Please comment down below if it's going in. Okay, I'm super scared, Now I have to add in. I think this is activated. It feels like it because you can like twist the big top off. Okay, this is the most scariest part. I have to find the tip of it, put it on there, and pour it in. Okay, this is the bowl. Pour it in the bowl. A little bit more. Y'all, I'm scared. I just pour it in. Okay, find me a spoon. Okay, let's mix it. Can't feel it doing anything right now. Okay, it feels like slime, so I have to be doing something right. It absolutely feels like slime. There's your name. I think I hear you. I need you to watch out. You in my video. Okay. Okay. So I have my slime. I can't. Okay. Let me pick it up and stretch it. This is only a little. I didn't know I made such a small amount of slime. I thought I poured like a whole bunch of glue. Okay. Okay, so here's my slime. Can't see anything. Okay. Okay, so it mixes together really well. Okay. I feel it. I'm ready to see how my slime looks. I'm so scared on how it turned out. Okay. Okay, so I think I could put this somewhere to the side. Okay, I'm super scared. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys see my slime in 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Oh, I made gold. Oh my goodness, it's like a really gold. I didn't even know I used gold. I didn't even know this was that close to me. Oh my goodness. I made a gold slime. And then I did it blindfolded. This is a really good slime. It's super stretchy. It's not sticky anymore. I just have to mix in the rest of the activator really well. So I'm trying to get it mixed in really well, and I'll do slime review in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so I have this slime here. Put my mic back on. Okay, so the slime actually turned out really like super gold, and it's really stretchy. I can't believe that I made a gold slime. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video of me making my slime blindfolded. I still really can't believe how good the slime turned out. Turned out really gold and super stretchy. I'm kind of upset of how much glue I put in, because it's not a lot of slime, because I really wanted a big slime, but it's enough to fit in the small containers that we have. So be sure you guys like this video right there. It's right down below, and subscribe down below for you guys. So have the if you want to see some of our most viewed videos, we'll have them at the end on the screen for you guys to watch. So yeah, be sure to smash that like button, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.